Hello my friends, glad to see you here. Let's work out together. Take your dumbbells and let's get started. First, take a deep breath. Then you exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. Okay, we're gonna start with something very simple, gentle. Step by step, we're gonna move forward. First, drop your shoulders down. Make sure you have straight posture. From here, we're gonna open your arms towards the side, keep your arms straight. Then we're gonna rotate right arm on the top and the left. So left go down, right go up, and we switch. Nice and smooth. 2, 3, you can work with your hand together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The second one, we're gonna open the arms straight, open towards the side. From here, we're gonna bend them 90 degrees. We're gonna open them straight back, drive them down. Here we go. We're gonna do 12, nice and smooth. Inhale deeply first. Exhale and work. 1 and 2. Keep your elbows 90 degrees. 3, 4. Breathe. 5. Try to relax your traps. 6. Keep going. 7. 8. 9. 10, 2 more to go. 11, 12, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Moving forward, we're gonna do core with arms together. So we're gonna drive straight arms in front, bending your left leg forward. Then we're gonna open your arms towards the side with your left leg wide open, and then bring it back and down. And then we're gonna switch. Right, side, forward, and down. Left, right, we're gonna do 20. Move nice and slow. Have good control on your pelvis, lock your core low back, keep your arms straight, hold your dumbbells really good. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep working. 8. Feel stable. 9, 10. Continue. 1, 2. Keep moving. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome, my friends. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna do a sumo squat, gentle. Hold your dumbbells straight in front of you, straight arms. We're gonna squat all over and up. Squat and up. Keep your arms straight, straight posture. Here we go. Knees, you should push your knees towards the side. Let's work. 12 reps and nice and smooth. Go ahead. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, awesome. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and up. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. Okay, the next one, we're gonna add some core. First, straight arms, draw them up, rotate them inside. Then, we're gonna bend your arms elevating your left knee towards the left elbow. And then we're gonna switch. Push them back up, bend them towards the right, and up. We're gonna do left, right, 8, so totally 16. Take a deep breath. Straight arms up. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 6 more. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, the next one we're gonna do nice and smooth, simple RDLs, remaining deadlifts. So from here, straight arms in front of you, we're gonna drive your butt all over down, feel that tension, and then drive them back. So butt goes backwards, we're gonna hold here for a second or two, and then squeeze them back. Here we go, 12. Keep your lower back straight, look forward, head should look straight forward, and up, 2, up, 3, awesome, 4, keep your lower back straight, 5, drive your butt backwards, 6, nice, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, keep holding here, keep your lower back straight, look forward, then from here, straight arms, we're gonna rotate your dumbbells outside a little bit, then we're gonna work on your back muscles, so we're gonna squeeze your back, your lats, everything should push up, and then relax, stretch, again squeeze, relax, stretch. Here we go, we're gonna do 12, take a deep breath, let's work. Drive your elbows closer to your body and move backwards. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 1 more. 12, squeeze and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly up, release. Awesome, take a deep breath. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale, here we go. We're gonna do the last one. Bridge lower back with core. So sit down. From here, lie down on your back. Elevate your toes up. Elevate your butt off the ground, straight arms in front of you. Take a deep breath. Then, what we're gonna do from here, we're gonna lower the butt down, we're gonna drive your arms backwards, and then when you push the butt up, we're gonna elevate your arms up. Here we go, nice and smooth, 12 reps, and push. 2, squeeze your butt up. 3, nice. 4, 5, higher. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more to go. 11, 1 more. 12, and hold. Hold this bridge position, straight arms in front, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we elevate your head off the ground, elevate your legs. Your legs should be 90 degrees. Keep holding your straight arms. Hold from here. Then we're gonna do right leg forward, left arm backward, flat back, and switch. And switch. Here we go. 20. Right forward, left arm backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 10 more, flat back, don't forget, engage your core and lower back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Slowly up. Okay, my friends. This was quick and efficient workout. You can do at home with these two nice and comfortable dumbbells. I call them small babies, which is they are. So wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. Good luck. Work out. Stay strong. Peace.